Hey everyone, this is a really quick tutorial on EdPuzzle so that we are ready to go to watch all of our mini lessons. Each week we'll have at least one mini lesson depending on which class you're in. AP will be more than one, probably almost nightly. So let's get into this. You want to sign up or log in. If you have created an EdPuzzle before, please log in as you would through your Google account, so your BPS Gmail account. So sign up is really easy. You just click on this, you click I'm a student, and you go right in. So for me, I'm going to show you because I already have an EdPuzzle account as a student. I'm going to show you what that looks like from my end. So pretend I'm a student. I'm going to sign in with Google, and I'm looking for my BPS, not my personal. I'm going to click on that and click sign in with Google. Once we are in, we're going to find this little tab right here, join a class. So even if you see other classes from before, we're not getting into those classes. We are starting a new class. It is join a class. In some cases, I have already uploaded your information, so you should be able to get in right away. And then this little tab up here, this shows you that you are in the My Classes section. It's great because, so this is a course that I was in before, and I can see my due assignments, I can see my completed assignments, and these are the ones that I had completed. I can see my graded assignments and my professor. This is a really legitimately a course that I have taken. You can see that she graded me with 100% on this particular TED Talk. So with an EdPuzzle, we will have questions embedded in the EdPuzzle. So here is the movie that my professor has done for my class, and it shows me that I'm done, and it shows me the result. And at the very end of it, she had a question. And it was this open-ended question right here. There was just one. And then this was my answer right here to her open-ended question. As a student, I can tell you that I found it challenging to have one question at the end because I actually had to go back and rewatch parts of it in order to write this answer, this response. So I think that if you can remember to do that, if you're stuck and you're like, I don't remember what I just watched, which happens with me, then definitely go back and rewatch parts of it so that you can get an answer. So it's really cool because this was from last March and I can still see what I wrote for my my class. So as always, please reach out to us with any questions that you have. This is a great tool. Teachers like it because you can ask students to demonstrate their understanding of what they just saw and what they just learned, and that's how we use it as a mini lesson. This type of lesson allows us to do what is called flipped learning, where we literally flip learning on its head and we give you the direct instruction in video that you watch outside of the class so that when we're face-to-face with you, whether it's on Zoom or actually in person when we go back for hybrid in November, you come into that space with me as your teacher, having watched that mini lesson the night before. So you ask me questions about it when we're together, and you demonstrate what you know when we're together. That way no time is wasted, and everybody, regardless of whether or not they're learning remotely or hybrid or in person, everybody gets access to the instruction. So if you have any questions on EdPuzzle, let me know. In the meantime, have fun.